What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to be going over where the Altima stands. Normally, I do these at the end of the year. Not really changed from last year, if you check that one out. But for the new people who keep asking me about what's on my car, I figured I'll just go ahead and do this build overview. Plus, this may be the last time I get to with this car, so I'm going to go ahead and do that before I basically go back to stock. So good, it's as good a time as any. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so the car is really filthy, so instead of just doing it right now, let me go ahead and get it washed because this looks horrible. Go ahead and do that, and then we'll jump back into it. Alright, much better. You can actually see the lip on the wheels. Much better. Alright, so just got the car washed. We'll go over what I have done on the outside first. Just a few cosmetic things, real light. So I have an eBay front lip. This is my third one. First one broke because of me. The second one, no, the first one broke, I don't know why. The second one broke because of me. And this is the third one. They've been lasting about a year, a little around there. Then I got eBay side skirts. This is a universal one, 3-piece. It's in 3 different sections. I mean, it gets the job done. I'm not really a huge fan of the 3-piece. I'm a little tired of that one, honestly, but it got the job done. And then I had this bumper winglet here. That's another universal one. Got that from eBay as well. Then I have the rear diffuser. That is from Stillen. And you see the custom tips. That is a Vibrant 1046 muffler. That's where that comes from. That's all I have is the mufflers. Didn't do anything else. Actually, before I do that, let me switch this around. That is definitely not a cold start. I just parked maybe 20 minutes ago, so not too bad for it being warm. Let me go ahead and pause the music. Alright, as far as the wheels, these are Vertinis RFS 1.5s. I do have drilled and slotted rotors. I believe I got them from R1 Concepts. I have the regular stock brakes. I just have to have it painted blue. What else? Oh, I do have carbon fiber door handles. I didn't get the mirror covers because I have the Midnight Edition, so that came black. I did debadge it. Spoilers from the Midnight Edition. Mine just said it had a midnight badge, but it wasn't black, it was chrome as well, because this is a 2017. I believe the 2017.5 is when they blacked out the trim and all that other stuff. So, and the reason I didn't black it out is because of the lip on the wheels. Let's see what else. I do have underglow, which, I mean, you probably could see it if I turn it on. Let me see. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, not really. Maybe if I change the color you can see it, but for now, can't really see it. It is still pretty bright out. I did change this. This was on this version of the Ultimate. It was kind of a matte finish, so I put black vinyl on it. Have it on there, here as well, and I do have a blacked out roof. And those alerts are from my car, from my camera, basically saying somebody's out front. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Darker color, you can see a little bit. But let's see. I do also have light down there as well. A little dirty. Just moved a bunch of stuff. Can't see it as well down there, but I guess you can't really tell it's on, but turn it off, you can tell. So, do have that, and have the star headliner. Looks a lot better when it's dark out. Alright. Oh yeah, I gotta take this stuff out. I forgot I put this back here when I was moving some stuff. But yeah, I have a 15 SDR, I believe, a Scar custom box there. There we go. I believe that's a 5-gallon tank. Do need to buff it a little bit. Do have just one compressor, and I have a wood floor the homie Ryan hooked up. He did a lot of the mods on the car. Not sure why it keeps messing up the focus like that, but yeah, so that's what we have here. And I am on air, as you can tell. Alright, but yeah, so I'm on air. Just kind of playing around with it, not all the way aired out, but you get the idea. Don't have any performance done to it at all. The closest thing to performance is the mufflers. I do have this custom Basilisk grill. Got that from eBay as well. I haven't seen that or the front lip on eBay in a while, but then again, I haven't looked in a while as well. The specs for the wheels, they are 20 by 10, positive 35 offset all around. I like the concave look, so that's what I went with. But yeah, I believe that's pretty much it for the car. That's all I have done. I do have some sound deadening, but I definitely could have put a lot more because this thing rattles like crazy. Let's see if I can get something to play. I won't do it for too long, but let's take a look here. Alright, so starting something now, but the volume, I believe, is still low. That's vibrating on it. But wait till I close this. And the mic is facing me. Let me switch it around. But yeah, I'm gonna miss that because the car that I'm gonna get next most likely won't have space like this does in the trunk, so I probably won't have that kind of setup. So yeah, but I'm gonna definitely miss that because the car that I get next most likely won't have the space in the trunk. But I mean, we might be able to still make something happen. I heard some cars with smaller space sound pretty good, so we'll see what we could do. But for the most part, that's pretty much it for the car, where she stands right now. Definitely been a good journey with the car. Definitely enjoyed it in the community, the Altima community. I'm still gonna be around somewhat, but of course I'm not really gonna be posting in Altima groups like I did before. I might still be posting in the Nissan Altima group that I created. If you're in a DMV Nissan Altima group, I really haven't posted in there because I don't live in the area anymore. But I still have people hit me up from that group, so it's still cool if y'all do. But yeah, I'm not posting in there for the most part. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. Oh, and as far as my neighbors, nobody there yet. Somebody bought the house, but they haven't moved in. Nobody moved in. House is not done. Somebody moved in, but they're not home over there. And I think it's a house next to them. They probably can't hear it from over there anyway. But, oh yeah, and in this way, nobody's down that way yet. They're still working on this house. And I think this is the furthest along on this side, so we're good for now. Yeah, like I said, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I definitely like to thank you all who've been rocking with me, especially on the Altima journey, and even thanks to everybody who's just tuning in now. Definitely appreciate it. Really do appreciate all your support. But yeah, before we end this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, who knows, you might be next. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.